Welcome back, everyone. So we actually created something in a very short time, an AI application, right? Using the cursor. So this is good. Cursor is very fast, but there are some issues that we could use. So the cursor does it, but in this case, how are we going to be distributing this code to you? Technically, I'm just going to put in the zagao.com, but in that case, if you want to just have this continuously evolving code, what I will do is I will go to GitHub, and then we will create a repository with that. So in that case, we're going to say top repository is a great place to store the information in GitHub, so that it's actually perfect infrastructure. So what we were doing is we're going to create a new repository. And then in this case, we're going to say AI. We're just going to say AI. And that should be simple. And it's going to be whether public or the private. So in that case, because I'll be sharing with this repository with you, so in that case, I'm not going to put a private. But of course, you can just keep it as a private so that only the people that you want can be having access. So in that case, I'm just going to put as a public. And then I'm just going to say AI applications using Flask Python. You're just going to write the description about it. You can add readme, but in that case, we already have it. Add git ignore. As we discussed earlier, that some of the confidential, like environmental files, different things, so that that needs to be all. We don't need a license. Add the license page. So you're just going to say create repository. That's good. So we created our AI repository, but in this case, there is no data in it. What we're going to do is we're going to be using this in the command lines using here. So that it's going to be creating that. So in that case, first we're going to say the git init. So you don't have to do it in your computer, of course, because what you're going to do is you're just going to be, only thing is you're going to download it. So in that case, I'm just going to put here git init. It just didn't work well. Git init. Okay. I just write it, initialize it, NT. Okay, perfect. And so in that case, add me. README, actually, you don't need it. I'm just going to say first commit. This one here. Perfect. Edit. Okay. Nothing edit. That's okay. And then we're just going to put it here. We're just going to say here, add mainframe. Okay, perfect. And then finally, we're just going to be adding our origin. Because we have the local computer, but we don't know where it's going to be putting in the remote location. So we're just adding that one up. Perfect. We did that. And then finally, we're just doing a push. And that's it. In the command line. It's failed to do that. So let me investigate what is it about. Oh, I got it. So in that case, instead of just committing here and then showing it, git push. So you can also write here, you're going to say first commit. Okay. Commit, and then you're just going to say commit. No stage. Okay, just go for it. So in that case, we're going to be publishing it. Want you to sign. Go to GitHub, verify the session, so what it's going to do is it's just going to start sending these files. Here you go. So you have all the files here. What you can do is you can just get this file as a Git, or you can just download as a zip file. So this is perfect. So that all the files that we created here, so you see here, it just send it, and then you have all of these. And then you have the README file coming soon, and all the things that we need to doing it to run in your computer, it can be just done. So I will just go and show in the next example how you can able to run this in Windows computer. And so that's going to be in the next video. And this is perfect. So we were able to generate a GitHub repository for our AI application. And then the next step will be to install to your computer, and anytime when there is a new changes, so that we can just get it from here download it, or you can just get directly. Okay. And that's going to be the next video. Talk to you soon.